Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ice transducer is probably one of the most important pieces of equipment for any serious ice angler, significantly impacting your ability to locate fish and ultimately increasing your chances of a successful catch. Choosing the right transducer can mean the difference between a frustrating day on the ice and a rewarding one filled with action, so selecting the right one for your needs and budget is crucial for maximizing your ice fishing success. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect ice fishing transducer. Number 5. Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder. Upgrade your fishing experience with the new Lowrance Hook 2. It's available in a range of sizes to perfectly suit your boat. Enjoy crisp, clear images even in bright sunlight, thanks to its high-resolution Solar Max display. You'll see every detail. It features auto-tuning sonar, so you don't need to spend time adjusting settings. It's ready to use right out of the box. Get double the chirp sonar coverage compared to most fish finders. You'll never miss a fish again. Find the perfect fit for your needs. It comes in 4, 5, 7, 9, and 12-inch screen sizes. The Lowrance Hook 2 Fish Finder will transform your fishing trips. Get yours today. What we like. It offers various screen sizes to suit your needs. The high-resolution display ensures clear visuals, even in bright sunlight. If you value a user-friendly, high-quality display with great image clarity, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great and easy to use. I bought this unit for ice fishing. It arrived today with 2 transducers, one for ice fishing and another for boat application. Perfect for the job I wanted it for. Nice and compact and very easy to fit. Number 4. Lucky Portable Sonar Fish Finder. It's waterproof, so rain or accidental drops into the water won't damage it. Just let it air dry afterward to prevent condensation. Enjoy wireless operation up to 328 feet and depth detection up to 147 feet. Its lightweight design and small size make it easy to cast. It shows water depth, fish location and size, water temperature, and bottom contour. You can even zoom in on specific areas for detailed information. The transducer uses a 125 kHz frequency with a 90-degree beam angle. It alerts you to fish in shallow water, and the optional cap glows in the dark. It's great for ice fishing, kayaking, boating, or fishing from the bank. A full charge provides 5 to 6 hours of use, or up to 10 hours in battery-saving mode. What we like. It's completely waterproof and floats, so accidental drops won't damage it. The wireless design and castable transducer offer unparalleled freedom and convenience. If you prioritize portability and wireless convenience for ice fishing, this is your best bet. Number 3. Garmin Dual Beam IF Ice Transducer. Experience crystal clear underwater views, even through the ice. It's designed for superior performance and reliable results. This transducer utilizes dual beam technology for enhanced detail and wider coverage. See more fish and structure than ever before. Get incredibly clear images of fish and underwater structures. It's perfect for locating your target quickly and efficiently. Installation is a breeze, making it simple to get on the ice and start fishing. Enjoy effortless setup and immediate use. It's built to withstand the harsh conditions of ice fishing. Count on it for consistent performance, season after season. Upgrade your ice fishing experience with superior clarity and detail. Discover the difference that it makes. What we like. This transducer provides superior image quality and target separation. Its dual beam technology ensures you won't miss any fish. If you are looking for a high-quality transducer with excellent performance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It hangs straight in a hole unlike the other transducer that I had to fiddle with to hang just right. Also, the silicone cord stays very flexible even in the cold. It picked up a very small tungsten jig with no problem. Very accurate. Took a while to get here, but I replaced my boat transducer on my Striker 4 with this for ice fishing and quality increased drastically. Much better definition and I don't have to keep dealing with the angle changes due to ice buildup on the float. Even at -25°C the cable is flexible. It does not work with the clear view on my Garmin Striker 4 Vivid, but it does all it needs to do. As far as I can tell, it is +_ about 3 to 5 feet on depth accuracy, but that isn't a deal breaker. If it shows fish at 20 feet, I drop my line until it is showing at 20 feet. Simple enough. I used this extensively all winter and it has held up. Number 2. Garmin Striker Plus 4 Ice Fishing Bundle. It's time to upgrade your ice fishing game. This bundle includes everything you need for a successful day on the ice. See what's below the surface with the high-sensitivity GPS and dual-beam transducer. It provides crystal-clear images and remarkable target separation. It has built-in mapping software. You can create your own maps of your favorite fishing spots. Mark your favorite fishing spots, docks, and ramps. It makes it easy to return to your best fishing locations. It comes in a rugged, portable carrying case. Take it anywhere and easily store all your accessories. The large, easy-to-read display makes it simple to use, even in harsh conditions. You'll spend less time fiddling with settings and more time fishing. What we like. It's an easy-to-use fish finder with a built-in GPS and a dual-beam transducer for crystal-clear images. The built-in GPS helps you easily mark and return to your favorite fishing spots. If you need a complete ice fishing kit with GPS functionality, this bundle is ideal. What people say. I've used Vexilar FL8, Markham LX3, Lowrance X67C, and Humminbird Helix 5. This is better than all of them, with the old Lowrance being the closest. For ice, this is better due to the vertical screen layout. It's hard to make use of the horizontal real estate on the Helix machines, and I always found myself wanting more vertical room. As to the fish finding ability, target separation is good, screen is bright enough for my purposes. Battery life is good for a graph, though still not as good as a simple flasher. There's so many more options and customization here versus a flasher. I looked into a bunch of different fish finders when I was in the market to buy one for ice fishing. When I saw this one, I watched some ice fishing veterans operate it, and it had many of the features of the really expensive ones. It has nothing but positive reviews, and some of the anglers were shocked at how it had so many features for such a low price. After the first use, I was so impressed that I convinced 2 of my friends to buy this just by showing it to them for about 5 minutes. The dual beam feature is fantastic, and the flasher is just so cool to watch when fish chase your lure. This is a total game changer and gives you that advantage that you otherwise wouldn't have. Less searching, more fish. I bought this for ice fishing yellow perch. The digital readout is easy to see, battery life is good, and the carrying case is easy, well made with sufficient room for everything that comes with it. Fish detection may not be as sensitive as the other main brand that's been around forever, but the worthwhile trade-offs of the ability to instantly read depth and more so easily mark a waypoint are worthwhile. I have used it in up to 50 feet of water and it's overall very effective. Number 1. Garmin Ice Fishing Kit. This kit is designed to keep your fish finder safe and sound during your ice fishing adventures. It's rugged and easy to use, even with gloves on. The protective case fits your 4-inch, 5, 6, or 7 Striker fish finder, EcoMap Chirp, or EcoMap Plus combo. It'll keep it safe from the elements. It features Garmin High-Wide Chirp traditional sonar with selectable beam width for clear underwater views. You'll get the best possible view of what's beneath the ice. The transducer comes with a foam float and grommet for easy setup and use. It's ready to go right out of the box. Everything you need is included: battery, charger, power cable, and built-in cable management. It's all neatly organized for easy transport and use. With this kit, you'll be prepared for a successful ice fishing trip. Get yours today. What we like. It comes with a protective case that fits various fish finders. The transducer features Garmin's High-Wide Chirp sonar for excellent target separation. If you're looking for a durable and versatile kit with a protective case, this is the one for you. What people say. Excellent separation of the bottom, grass, and fish. This package shows your bait or jig very clearly. Ice fishing kit works perfectly. Convenient handle built into the carrying case. This kit was a great way to make use of my boat electronics during the winter ice fishing. Assembled took less than 10 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.